I take the picture before I drop the thing. And anyway, since we're talking about dropping, I probably should not be doing that. It's a big box. Ooh. Well, there you go. Look at that, 210 calories for a chicken patty with cheese and sauce. That includes the sauce. I think it says it on the back. Yeah. 1 patty with a 1/3 cup of sauce. Ooh, which means these are not very big. I am going to be cooking this in the oven. Oh wait, other way. Okay. Ooh, what type of blue is this? We got Reflex Blue C, and for the brown, it's Pantone 7601C. Oh yeah. So let's see. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh, I knew they were tiny, but like, here's my hand. That's 4 inches across, by the way. I measured. Like, those are so small. I mean, yeah, you can still put it on a bun. Really reliable meals, okay. Great dinner on the table every night isn't easy. Everyone in the family has their own taste and their own schedule. Thankfully, we provide a versatile meal solution that's only a freezer away. No frills, no fuss, just food. Really, really good food. So preheat, set the timer, and solve your dinner dilemma with really reliable meals from On-Cor. Visit us at oncor.com. That's a dash between the on and core, which is C-O-R. Now to put that... I just want to point out how disgusting that is. Look at that. Beneath the cheese, which is inside of the patty, look at that meat. That's disgusting looking. This last 10... Oh, no, that's the time... Oh, God. I thought... Oh, no. I read that as 2031, lasting 10 years. No, it lasts till next year. Oh, my God. I mean, yeah, I could put this in the microwave, but I'm not doing that. Oh, there's a lot of directions for it. What is it? 55 minutes I gotta cook this for? Damn. I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, well. Oh, God. I'll just have to lift it up. Now we need to spoon the sauce over the chicken. Yeah. Come on now. This one's completely covered. There we go. Come on. I need to clean this table. Yeah. Okay, reminder. How far is that? Whatever, I can feel the heat. This was cooked for like an hour. I could still see the steam I should have let this cool off. Well, let's stand for 2 minutes. Well, what can we talk about for 2 minutes? Well, I cooked food. I have my water over there. You can't see it because it's off screen and you're obviously seeing a plate with food. Let me cut into this. Which way is like... There we go. Got that cross section. Can you see the cheese? Oh. Is it like on the... Yeah, it's on the bottom. Oh well. Can you see anything? It's meat. Yeah, let's taste it. Huh. That's interesting. I don't want to say that I like it, because like I do like it. Oh no. This was supposed to be bad. No. No, it's good. And yes, I did eat that very quickly. But this actually tastes really good. Not the best thing ever. I'm sure there's better chicken, Parmigiani, of course, but now I know that I really want to try this. Try better versions, because I like this already. And this was supposed to be like a cheap joke video, because like all of these are supposed to be like, you know, lower quality, and some of them are supposed to be disgusting, others are supposed to be like fine. This one actually tasted good. So that's interesting. I'm gonna eat another one. Oh yeah, tip. Enjoy a hearty chicken salad. Cut up patties, place on bed of greens, and add toppings. Yeah. I couldn't taste any of the cheese, but I'm sure it's there. I mean, you know, I could add Parmesan cheese, but that stuff has been expired for like several months now. So I'm gonna eat another one. Video's over. Bye-bye.